Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC, and this is the reason you need to store Terra Classic coin. This is the reason you need to buy and keep Terra Classic coin, despite what is going on with LUNC. Now, this is why you need at least $500 worth of Terra Classic LUNC, and $500 worth of Terra Classic LUNC can turn to $35,000. Wow! Now remember, this $500 is the base, based on what you want to analyze, but that doesn't mean you should buy $500 worth of Terra Classic. You can invest $50, you can invest $10, you can invest $5. Just you have to invest what you can afford to lose. And once again, remember that Terra Classic is a coin that have actually hit over 40 trillion and over $100 price. But of today, this coin is currently trading with about 3 zeros. Now, at the time of recording this, a $500 investment on Terra Classic. Now, with LUNC project, with LUNC latest burning rate, with LUNC latest staking rate, with LUNC latest partnership and latest plan for a better tomorrow. Now, Terra Classic are actually planning for a mega burning. Terra Classic are also planning to push. The main target is to hit 1 cent. That is the main target. And I believe by the time LUNC hit 1 cent, a lot of people definitely will be smiling. Now, 1 cent is Terra Classic major target, and I believe that yes, very soon definitely will be hitting at 1 cent. Now, $500 worth of Terra Classic coin, if it LUNC hit 1 cent, that is about 7,000% rise in price. Yes, from the point from the current market trade of Terra Classic, from the current price, LUNC trading and hitting, rising, pumping, matching, moving, flying to 0.01 means you must have earned about 7,000%, which is $35,000. Investing $500 can return about $35,000. $100 might be returning about $7,000. You see, this is going to be one of the biggest profit. This is going to be one of the biggest gain. This is going to be a turnaround to so many people. This is going to be a life changing to a lot of Terra Classic holding. LUNC at 1 cent. Many people will smile. Many family will be happy. Many people, at least we see a reason to be happy, because LUNC, this is going to be one of the biggest rise in the history of Terra Classic, even though this coin actually hit about over $115. But from the spot, from the point where it is right now, if Terra Classic hit 1 penny, 1 cent, and this is definitely going to be one of the biggest gain, because people will make so much money with Terra Classic. For example, when LUNC was trading at $10, okay, when LUNC actually hit, let's say $110, someone who must have invested $100 would have $1,000, right? Wow, people were like, wow, this is a lot of profit. But LUNC at 0.0001, now hitting just 1 cent, $100 will be giving you about $7,000. So this is going to be so much life changing for so many people, and I hope and I believe that yes, one day this dream of 1 cent we will surely get it. Remember, this is on the financial advice, so please kindly do your own research, and please kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.